YouTube just sent me my 2022 year in review, which is basically like a scorecard for how well this channel did in 2022. I'm going to be showing that to you guys in a little while on my laptop screen. But first, as soon as I saw this email from YouTube, the first thing that came to my mind was to say thank you to you watching this video right now, because you made this possible. This couldn't have happened without you. So I want to say a very big thank you for you for your support, right? You watch my videos, you engage with my content, you comment on my content, you follow me around, and I appreciate that. It matters to me. It matters to me that I put out content and you take your time to actually watch it and consume those content. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I want to make you a promise. Right? It doesn't matter the kind of value you think that I have created from when I started up until now for you. 2023 is going to be bigger. I'm going to be sharing some of the things that we're going to be doing in 2023 as we proceed in this video. But first things first, let me go to my screen and let us look at what we achieved together in 2022. So looking at my screen right now, you're going to be seeing the fact that this is an email from YouTube. It says, Online Hustle TV, your 2022 year in review is here. And it says, Online Hustle TV, your 2022 snapshot. So we had a total of 2.5 million views in 2022, right? We had 11.5 million watch times a minute, 11.5 million minutes watch time, basically. And we had a total of 74,100 likes. We had a total of 74.1 thousand likes, all right? Then 58,000 new subscribers. And August was actually the best month because it had the most amount of views. Now, the top viewed videos of the year, videos that you watch the most, is actually Amazon KDP tutorial. Now, this video is a good example of what I've been teaching in my YouTube trainings. It took me about 7 days to make this video. I didn't sleep at all for good 7 days because I had to actually write a book on camera, document everything, and of course, this is like a full course that people actually sell, and I gave it out for free. Right? And guess what? This video did very well. You guys appreciated the hard work that I did, and you watched this video. And a lot of you guys have come to me and said, Gerald, I have started publishing books on Amazon KDP, and I'm making sales on Amazon KDP. This is a very good example. Right? This is a student like you that actually watched this video on YouTube for free, and they made money doing this. Now, the second video is how to make money online in Nigeria with 100 Naira. You guys engage with that content, you got value from that content, you watched it, right? So it's actually a mutually beneficial business relationship, right? Because I benefit and you benefit as well. So I have learned this thing to give value first before I ask something in return. Value trumps aesthetics at every point in time. I always say this in my trainings. Now, how to create Binance account and verify with your phone, step-by-step Binance tutorial. Now, this is another video that you guys engage with so much, right? And of course, it's obvious why, because these videos are so very detailed. And one of the things I did in 2022 was I tried out YouTube Shorts, and apparently it made some impact. So I was able to create just 5 shorts in 2022, and those 5 shorts gave me 9,892 views on those short videos that I made on YouTube. Right now, the top viewed short of the year is this app made me 6 million Naira. I'll be giving away $100 to 2 serious individuals on YouTube. Make money online, taking and uploading photos and all of that. Right. The top countries, people that have viewed my channel the most are people from Nigeria, Ghana, and India. And I want to say that I love you guys so very much. Now, if I come down right here, it says I had live stream. I had a total live stream of 430 minutes, right? And 23,500 total live stream views. And the most watched live stream video is actually the video where I made a video on how to make money online, answering your questions, episode 1. Now, this is something that I tried out. I was supposed to continue with it, but apparently I had a lot of things that I was doing and I couldn't, because the idea is for you guys to send in your questions, that I come live and we have an interaction where I answer these questions. In 2023, I'm going to actually be taking this seriously, right? So I'm going to be doing one live video where I'm going to be answering your questions once every month for the whole of 2023, right? I am committed to that. If you are excited about that, let me know in the comment section, guys, so that I'll actually put it in my plan to actually do that in 2023. Now I'm going to come down again. Okay, so you guys gave me 74,000 likes in 2022, 11.5 million total minutes watched on my channel, and you made it happen. So thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. So all time 2,965 days since your first upload. I'm not sure what this means, right? If you know what this means, let me know in the comment section, please. I'm not sure I know what it means. I have to give you some thought. 252,000 all-time likes. This is everything my channel have gotten, right? So we made a lot of progress in 2022, because if I've gotten 250,000 likes all time, you know, and in just 2022 I got total 74,000 likes. You know, that means that I got a whole lot more likes in 2022, because I've been on YouTube for about 3 years now. So 61,000 comments, and of course you guys shared my content for 160,000 times, over 160,000 times. That's amazing. That's mind-blowing. I feel like hugging you right now. I feel like hugging you that is watching video right now. I feel like hugging you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. So, and let's come down right here and see if there's something else. Okay, so in 2023 I'm going to be doing a lot of trainings, both free trainings and paid trainings in 2023. I'm going to be doing a lot of live videos, right? And I'm compiling the questions that you guys keep asking in the comment section. So if there's a video that you specifically want to see in 2023, let me know in the comment section of this particular video right now. And I'm going to be putting that on my book. So I'm going to be getting a new notepad. I'm compiling your questions. So I'm going to be making videos answering specific questions that you are interested in, right, for 2023. So thank you very much. And I want to say compliment of the season. And I want to wish you the best while you are staying safe, even through the season. God bless you. I love you. And in 2023, we are going to even win much bigger. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning. And don't forget to cheer out. Those love you guys. Bye from here, guys.